Hey guys, back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you the Capcut Match Cut audio tutorial. So here I have a video with the music in it, but I can't show you or listen to the music because I don't want to get copyrighted in YouTube. So I'm going to mute the video, but it has some music in it. So if you want to match cut the audio so that you can mark the beats, so what you need to do is click on a video and at the toolbar scroll over until you find the extract audio. Click on that. Okay, so now the audio has been extracted. So what you need to do is click on the audio and find the match cut option. Oops. Okay, click on that, and here at the auto generate option, you need to enable it. Just click on that until it turns to gray or bluish, and you can choose whether you want to bit 1 or bit 2, but I usually use the bit 2 because it follow the beats better. I think that's than the bit 1. So just click on the bit that you choose and click on the check icon, and now the music or the audio has some mark in it. You can add transition to match the beat or other effects that you want to use. Okay, so I think that's all. That is how you can match cut audio into Capcut. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, and also subscribe to our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye.